If you're an old-fashioned PC person, you're probably used to hitting print screen or shift print screen to get a full screen shot of whatever was on your desktop. Nowadays, you could do that by bringing up the snipping tool, but there's actually a shortcut that could save you a little time. When you want to make a screenshot, simply press the Windows key and print screen. A screenshot will automatically be saved to your Pictures folder. The second tip is for those of you who hate the modern UI Pictures viewer as much as I do. If you've ever clicked on an image and been annoyed when you were brought to the new and improved Windows Pictures Library and Photo Viewer, then dump Modern with the following steps. First, right-click on an image. Then select Open With. Now select Choose Default Program and select Windows Photo Viewer. Now be clear, with this method, you're going to have to choose each and every type of image file, PNG, GIF, JPEG, in order to make that the default choice. Now, if you feel like putting a bit more effort into it, you can actually change the default program for all images at the same time. First, go into Settings, then select Control Panel, select Default Programs. Now set your default programs, then scroll to Windows Photo Viewer. Select Set this program as default, and now click OK. Now, anytime you click any image, you should be Modern UI free. Those first two tips are time-saving and preference tips, but if you actually want to get back some of the functionality in Windows 8.1 that seems to have been stripped away from Windows 7, then follow the following tip in order to get your desktop apps. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and right-click on the desktop, any empty space. Now select New and add Shortcut. Now you want to enter the command Explore Shell : Apps Folder, one word. Now go ahead and name it All Apps. You've just created a folder on your desktop that contains all your programs, not just the ones that Windows 8.1 has deemed are suitable for the desktop. Now, what about power? If you don't have a touchscreen, Windows 8.1 is a little picky on how you shut it down. You have to hover your cursor over the top right corner of the screen, click Settings, click Power, and select your power option. Well, if you want a down and dirty shortcut to shut down your Windows 8 computer, follow the following tip. First, go to the desktop, right-click on any empty area of the desktop, and create a new shortcut. Now type in the following command: shutdown.exe space .s space .t space 00. Now you want to name your command shutdown and pin it to the taskbar. Now clicking that shortcut will bypass all the Windows 8.1 goodness and instantly pull the plug on your PC. Follow these tips and you're well on your way to taking back control of your Windows 8.1 desktop. I'm Father Robert Ballecer, and that's a quick tip.